All right, so I finally found somewhere to sit after the long walk. I think it's almost an hour of walking, right? And I'm still gonna walk back again. But this is a nice park. Do you see that? You like that? Very beautiful place. So sometimes I take walks like this and I come to the park and just relax. I could even show you the pond. This is the pond. Can you see that? This is beautiful. Look at all this gorgeous landscape. You know, awesome. This is a wonderful park. It's called the Freedom Park in Alberta here. It's amazing. Oh man, that was a long walk. but somehow we need to do these things for our health and well-being, right? So that's great. All right. Okay. So now let's talk about the TeamBuilders free traffic system, because I keep getting a lot of questions about it, right? So we're going to talk about it today. You see, so many people are coming online trying to earn extra income from home, which is normal. That was how I got online, right? I got online trying to earn extra income straight from my home. Because I wanted to supplement my income. And I'm sure it's the same thing with you, right? You're trying to supplement your income so that you don't have so much financial challenges, because our regular wages, 9 to 5, is not helping us to achieve that, right? So like I still have a 9 to 5, and I'm sure many of you still have your 9 to 5 jobs, but we're still having problems of meeting all our needs, right? Most of those needs are always three things we are looking for. We are looking for freedom. We're looking for time freedom. You want to be free to decide what you want to do with your time. You want location freedom. Like I am here in a park and I could still make sales just sitting on this bench talking to you right now. And then there is also financial freedom, which is very important. You know, you want to be able to have extra income in your pocket so that you can take the family out for dinner, vacation, all those places that you need to take them out for, right? Now, the biggest problem right now is that online is very, very competitive right now, because AI and all the other technologies have made it so easy that anybody can come online and try to make money. But the biggest problem it has created a problem of competition, even among us marketers, right? And what you now notice is that so many people are not making any money at all. And right now, if you check out there, you see right now many people are running to go and promote $5 programs, $1 programs, because it's like they couldn't just get sales anymore. But the problem with promoting low ticket offers is that you don't actually make any real money. Well, it has been proven, no matter what they tell you, except you have a large number of followers. If you're a brand new beginner, you're not likely going to make anything tangible with low ticket offers. So, most likely, what I highly recommend is a program that has low ticket and also has high ticket, right? So you want to be in the mix. By being in the mix, you could easily make some good amount of money. And that's why in our team, we are promoting the TeamBuilders program. Now, the beautiful thing about the TeamBuilders program is that you could earn instant commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale, which is amazing, you know, for an awesome program. And look, there are no high ticket programs like the TeamBuilders program, right? Because with the TeamBuilders program, you actually get high quality softwares like autoresponders, website builders. You get all these things for free when you become a team builder. So this makes it a great program, because you're not just joining the program for the money alone. You are also joining the program because you get high quality products that you need to build an online business. And also they have a coaching program where you become a team builder. So they have this coaching program that teaches you how to also build your business, get a lot of traffic. And now we come to traffic, right? Because that is the big thing, right? Right now, so many people are trying their best to promote different programs. But the problem they're having is they just cannot get traffic, right? That means they just cannot get a lot of people to see what they are promoting. Now, in the TeamBuilders free traffic system, which is what our team is doing, because we have this team in TeamBuilders that gives out traffic for free to our members. So this is awesome. So this makes it possible, even if you are a brand new beginner, you've never made money online before, you don't even know how to generate traffic, you don't have money to get traffic, you don't know how to promote. Now, by joining our team, we do that for you, right? So that is good. Now, like this is awesome, right? We do all those things for you because that's what we do in the team, right? We want to help every member of the team to actually succeed online. So this is what happens. Now, when you join TeamBuilders program, now you have to join TeamBuilders program first because remember our team called it the TeamBuilders free traffic system for a reason. You have to be a member of TeamBuilders first, right? So what you do is this, and also you have to join through our link. So any member of our team, you have to join their link. Right now you're listening to me. So my link is just in the description above or in my profile. Okay. So what you want to do is simple. Just go to my link. Okay. Click my link, put in your name and email there, right? Make sure you are using a brand new email address that you've not used before because you want to make sure you fall on my team, right? So what you want to do, click the link in the description above or on my profile, all right? And then what you do that, you put in your name and email and then you join the TeamBuilders program. The TeamBuilders program is a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees. And that's what we want, right? You have to be a permanent member of the TeamBuilders program. Now, once you are a permanent member of the TeamBuilders program, they set up everything for you. So the TeamBuilders program set up everything for you. They set up your website, set up your funnel, set up your autoresponder, and then they give you the link. Now, that link is what you need to send to me. You get it, right? I hope it's simple. So you send me your link, and I'm going to quickly add you to our team rotator, and then we want to start sending traffic to your link immediately. All right? Now, this way we have been able to help other people who don't know how to promote because technically we are doing all the promotion for you. We are generating the traffic. You're not going to pay for traffic, right? We do that for you for free. We don't charge you for traffic. Now, if you want to get more traffic yourself, it's highly advisable because then that increases your chances of making more money. So you can see the way we made it easy for members of our team, whether you are brand new, whether you don't know how to promote, whether you don't know how to recruit, you don't know how to sell, it doesn't matter anymore, right? Because we will do that for you in our team. We do all those things for you for free, all right? Now, by us promoting your link, we are also building your email list. Imagine. We build your email list for you for free. And remember, if you have an email list, you can always promote whatever product you like anywhere, anytime, right? But we will build your email list for you with high quality leads, okay? Now, this is what happened, why we chose TeamBuilders program. We could have chosen any other program, but we prefer the TeamBuilders program because it's a complete done for you program. So it's very easy for brand new beginners, very easy for any marketer, anybody to succeed. One, like I told you, the first thing, you get all these powerful softwares worth thousands of dollars, like your autoresponder. Those of you who are online, you know the cost of an autoresponder. But with TeamBuilder, you get an autoresponder, you get a website builder, you get all these powerful products that you need for you to build a business, right? Now, when you promote, when we promote your link for you, we will promote your mega link, right? Now, this is beautiful because when you become a team builder, you will be able to earn 200% commissions on front-end mega link sale, which is powerful. And that's why we love it, because that makes it easy for us to get sales for you. Now, let's talk the disclaimer right now. Now, there is no guarantee of sales, right? So I don't guarantee you sale. Nobody can guarantee you sale. Only a divine person can say you will definitely get sale or something. No, but the good thing is this. I am getting sales. Many of our team members are getting sales. So we believe you too will also get sales from the effort we are going to put to run your business for you. Now, I hope that clears that out, right? So now, when you become a team builder, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. You will also be able to earn 200% second-tier commissions in front-end mega link sale. What does that mean? That means that when we build your team for you, and anytime your team member starts selling their own mega link, right, you will make commissions from their effort. So this is good, all right? So you are able to make commissions from your own effort and from the effort of your team members, which is amazing. So that is what we're talking about right now. So this is wonderful about the Team Builders program, because you are able to earn commissions whenever your team members buy anything or sell anything in the system. So this is super, right? And that's why we chose the program, because that makes it easy for us to be able to, get easy sales for our members, build their list, and then look at the beautiful thing. The Team Builders program pays you high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. This is crazy, and this is done for you. I'm telling you, the Team Builders program follows up with your lead. Okay, they invite them to webinars, close the sales, and then just give you the money. So I love the Team Builders program, and that's why we in our team decide to offer you this opportunity to have to actually build an online business where we do all the work and you keep all the commissions for yourself, guys. This is amazing. Now, if you are thinking, okay, Victor, how do I join? I've explained that before, but let me explain it again. All you need to do, go to the link in the description above, right? Click that link, put in your name and email address, and then make your payments to the Team Builders program. It's a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees. That is all. Now, once you have made your payment and your account has been set up, your link has been already, just get back to me and give me your link, all right? That's how simple it is. And if you have other questions about our free traffic system and about the Team Builders program, you can always privately message me. We can talk about it. It's awesome. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. There's a reason you need to click the share button, because we want to reach other marketers that are struggling to make money online, other marketers that have been in pain, right? Because it's so difficult right now. And we need to come together as a team to actually succeed online right now. It's a big deal, I'm telling you. But with the Team Builders free traffic system, this is possible. Many of us are succeeding. You too can succeed with us, all right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.